I'm Shahir Massoud, and this is Around the World in 8 Meals, a celebration of Canada's culinary and cultural diversity. I'm heading to meet with Carla Ramos, who's going to share a traditional Portuguese recipe she grew up eating every Sunday.
Hi, my name is Carla. I was born and raised in Lisbon, Portugal. Food is everything. I think it's the best way to connect with people. It's bring everyone together at the table. I would love to teach Shahir the Portuguese cuisine, showcase the main ingredients and the flavors.
Carla, thank you so much for having me. Now, tell me, what are we making today?
We'll be doing turkey à brás, a traditional Portuguese dish. It's something that I love. I used to wake up on Sundays with that smell of turkey drumsticks coming out of the oven.
Your mom would make it?
My mom would make. She's a good cooker.
Who are we cooking for tonight? Who's coming over for dinner?
We have special guests for Shahir, of course.
Wow.
I have a couple of good friends and my mother-in-law.
The mother-in-law?
Yes.
Yikes.
Yes.
Okay, walk me through what is a traditional brás, how we get it started.
So we will start by doing a marinade for the drumsticks. If you can start cutting some lemons.
Okay, the juice of 2 lemons?
Yes, and chop 2 or 3 cloves of garlic.
So, lots of garlic. And the lemon juice in the marinade kind of breaks down the meat. You eyeball it in terms of salt, pepper, paprika?
Small pinches, I whisk.
You use your instinct.
I use my instinct.
Of course.
Yes.
Your eyes, your heart.
Yes, yes.
Is this smoked paprika?
It's colorau.
Colorau.
And it has a little bit of sweetness.
Oh.
We use a little bit of black pepper.
A little black pepper. Sea salt, beautiful.
Yes.
A nice light, fruity Portuguese white wine. We whisk it up.
We whisk it.
Now it's time to marinate these turkey drums. 1 drum per person. How long does this marinate for?
A couple of hours, it's enough. I prepare these in the morning, and then it's ready to go to the oven, yes. But if you don't have time, it's perfectly fine.
So if you're short on time, you can actually just pour this on and cook it straight away.
Because it's going to absorb all the flavors.
So we pour the marinade on.
Pour. If you want to turn their
side, to get them all around,
to get,
kind of
like,
coated.
Involved.
Get involved, everyone. Get to know each other.
It's
okay?
Perfect.
Butter, little knob of butter on each. How long are we gonna cook these drums?
1 hour and a half at 350 degrees.
350, and we'll check on it in a little bit.
Yep.
Okay, so it's been 1 hour and a half. The butter is rendered. It looks good enough to eat now.
Not yet. If you could shred it,
Shred the turkey. And you have a bunch of onion, and you're cutting them into rings. So we're almost done. We've got the garlic, the turkey shredded up here. What's happening next in the dish?
So we'll start by putting olive oil in our skillet.
So it's about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Can I go in with the onion and garlic?
Yes, and the garlic. The bay leaf.
We're gonna let this cook for almost 10 minutes, right?
Yes.
The onions are good now, so we remove the bay leaf and then add the turkey.
Yes. Let it cook for a few minutes till the turkey absorbs all the oil. So we have our turkey with onion, garlic.
Next step now is the potatoes.
Our Portuguese potatoes.
And it's called what?
Palha.
Palha?
Yes.
They look like potato chips.
Kind of, yes.
More?
Yes, just a little bit more, because it takes a lot of potatoes.
It takes a lot. So Carla, all these potatoes have kind of cooked down, and now we go in with eggs.
We want to add creamy texture, but not scrambled eggs.
Slowly adding.
Slowly.
About 6 eggs here. It is getting creamy, and it's not gonna make a frittata. And now we can bring it over.
Yes.
Look at this.
Add a little bit of parsley.
So we've got the parsley and the olives,
Just to
not
look
too
like
much.
nice and beautiful.
I think it's gonna give a nice flavor as well. And that's it. So let's take this to the table and wait.
All right, guys.
Mom, does this look like a traditional brunch?
It is brunch.
It is brunch.
Yeah, it is.
Ah, of course.
If she's saying it's brás,
We're good.
it's because it's brás.
We're good.
Yeah.
Okay, so who goes first? You know, I'm gonna serve Mom first. It's creamy from the egg. That's good.
The best turkey brás in the world.
Hey, Carla, I want to thank you for inviting me over. It's been an amazing experience. I had a blast. But before I leave, the Portuguese tarts?
Okay, let's do it.